Hey, this is Jamie with Golfer Geeks, and I've got a little unboxing video here for a couple drivers I just got from Global Golf. What they have now is you try clubs before you buy them. So I wanted to try for my readers and a little bit for me the new Callaway Rogue driver. Maybe we can do it this way. And this goes this way, Taylormade M3 driver. Okay, so I just got these in 15-20 minutes ago, and with that they send me the Arco driver performance tracking system, so you can see how to do these clubs, and they suggest you put it in your current club too, so it's a pretty cool thing they've got going there. This is the tool for the Taylormade, and this is the tool for the Callaway. I've never had an adjustable Callaway driver. I've, of course, had Callaway drivers in the past. What else? So let's take a look at the club head themselves. So there's your M3. I got a 10.5 degrees. That's what I have in my current Taylormade driver. I think the current train of thought now is the more loft, the better, up to a certain extent. So no more the 8 degree, 7 degree drivers, and I've had a 10.5 degree of my own for a while. So it's the, let's see here, Mitsubishi Chemical Stiff Shaft, and this is a lambkin grip made for Taylormade. And I will put this baby back in this nice little head cover real quickly so nothing silly happens. I've got nothing but cement below me. I'm on my back patio. And so let's, like that. So let's unsheath the Rogue. You can see there. It is also 10.5 degrees. I don't know if that's legible that way, or if I do it this way, or maybe that way. Anyway, it's 10.5 degrees. It's got the adjustable hosel for lie angle and everything else. I've never adjusted one of those. Stiff shaft. It's the Project X Hazardous. The Project X is pretty faint. I don't think you can even read that. It's also a stiff shaft. It's got the Golf Pride Decade multi-compound grip, which I've never had, but I'm loving because I'm in the market for new grips. And so with Global Golf, you have these things for 14 days. It's $25 per club to try, so it's like a killer deal. They're betting a lot of people aren't going to want to get rid of these clubs, and I can tell you right now, I see where their logic comes from. Anyway, I'm going to test these things on the course, on the range. I'm going to check out my stats with the Arcos, and I will have a bunch of content built around this stuff and give you guys my honest, unvarnished opinion for both of these clubs within the next couple weeks, most likely. All right, that's it. Everyone, have a great day. Thank you.